everyone and welcome to Girl Talk World. Today we are with Maddie, who plays Zoe in Jamie Johnson. Hi. Hello. Okay, so obviously being a Jamie Johnson, you're a football pro. Your moves are insane. And so we've had our readers send in questions about football and maybe you can offer a bit of advice.
All right.
Up for it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have had someone ask, I sometimes play with my cousin and I'm always goalie, but it hurts my hands a lot. Is there a way to catch the ball without bending your fingers back?
Well, just wear gloves, and there's a certain gloves that have like bone things, like I don't know what it's called, like so it like helps so it doesn't like bend your fingers back, or just push it away from you, not instead of catching it.
Oh, okay, so
like
you
push it away or like punch it wherever you want.
Okay, so punching it as
Some
well.
goalies like go like that, and it just goes further, but just like hit it away from you, because then it won't bend your fingers back.
Do you get to play in goal much in Jamie Johnson?
I used to be a goalie, not in Jamie Johnson. Oh no, offset, yeah.
Ah, wait, so you used to be a goalie?
Yeah.
Ah, what position are you now?
Right mid, up front.
Change that. Okay, so next question. How hard is it to play in front of crowds rather than just playing in front of your club?
Big crowds.
Yeah.
Well, I just feel like it's hard, but like when like halfway through the game, you're just used to it. So like you feel like everybody's watching you, and then like if you make a mistake, 5 minutes later you just forget about it. I like it in front of crowds. It's nice.
And how is it how is it playing football in front of a film crew?
Well, like we all like know each other, so it's like it's fine. But it's just like because you know it's on camera, like you're trying your very best, like skills and whatever.
Yeah. Imagine that. Do they sometimes say like cut, and you're just like I'm about to do really well, and then they just
No, they just get the best bits and put it together really.
So you play games throughout
Yeah,
the whole thing?
they let us just play, and they just film the whole thing and then get the best bits.
That's so good. How many games of football do you reckon you play per episode in Jamie Johnson?
2, 3.
That's pretty good. Quite.
Wait, like filmed or like in the actual episode?
How many do you film?
Oh, we take like a day for one episode for football. Like 10.
10 games an episode. 10 games filmed.
We'll cut and then that and then cut and then that and then cut. We do that like 10 times.
You must be so tired. Right, next question. I am a really slow runner and I've signed up to the girls' football team. Any advice?
What, to get faster?
Yeah, well, like, is there a position that is you don't need to be as fast for?
Well, obviously goalie, you can be a goalie, or like defence, you just stay at the back. Or you can just practice a bit, like go on jogs and runs with your friends or whatever, just practice and you'll keep getting faster.
There you go. I really want to play football, but don't know how to start. What should I do?
Get a ball. Just get a ball and just start practicing. If you've got siblings, you can practice them, or just like a brick wall, like passing in it and just practicing control and stuff.
And are there local teams in most places?
Yeah, should be. Or school.
There you go, you can play in school. Right, next question. How do you score against boys in your class who are in the school football team?
Easy. Just go corners, isn't it? Like just wherever the goalie's in the middle, go to the corner so they can't reach it.
Yeah, girls can play against boys.
The boys in my school ain't even good. Not even good.
You run rings around them all?
Yeah, easily.
Nice. Okay, last one. What is your advice to anyone who has tried out for a football team and then given up when they didn't get in?
Well, keep practicing, and if you want to go back to that team, try again. If not, try a different team and just keep practicing.
Yeah. There's got to be a team out there for you somewhere. And practice does help, right? How much do you practice a week, do you think?
Well, I practice different things, like I go school training, and then I practice like when after school with my friends, we just kind of practice, we just play football. So I like to kind of practicing.
Yeah, there you go. Practice makes perfect. Right, so I hope that helped you and that you really liked Maddie's advice. We thought it was excellent, obviously. And we hope you liked that video. So also give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Girl Talk World channel. And thanks for being with us.
That's all right.
Bye.